Now you guys know me, I don't have time for all those make $500, make $2,000, make $1,000, and then you click it and there's nothing there. Those kind of videos. If I catch those people that make those videos, it drives me crazy. So if I tell you this stuff works, trust me, it works. I don't have time for nonsense. Basically, that's what I'm trying to say. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You know, it's been a minute. You guys know I just had a little one. I just had a baby girl, so I'm trying to take it easy, but I still have this urge to create content. I'm back and it's gonna be a very quick video. Everyone has been bugging me for this video because I posted this video here. And in that video, you can see that I'm carrying my newborn, and I said I made $200 in 45 minutes whilst at home, being a mom on maternity leave and just kind of making extra money on the side whilst carrying my baby. And everyone was like, give me the tea, how did you do it, what happened, ha 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 ha. You see all the messages pop up on the screen that I got, and I was like, you know what, I can't reply to everyone, so what I'm gonna do is create a video explaining exactly how I did it. Now you guys know me, I don't have time for all those make $500, make $2,000, make $1,000, and then you click it and there's nothing there. Those kind of videos. If I catch those people that make those videos, it drives me crazy. So if I tell you this stuff works, trust me, it works. I don't have time for nonsense. Basically, that's what I'm trying to say. So very quickly, I'm going to get right into it. Now, the way that I was able to make that money was through something called research incentive. Now, I'm a researcher, so I know about incentives, but I never actually thought that there were organizations out there that paid as much for your time. So it's basically appreciating you for the time that you spend giving them feedback about a product or a service, right? So in research, we would normally give incentives for people for their time, because if someone takes their time out to participate in your research, you want to say thank you. But because my kind of research is in health related topics or in healthcare or health services, it needs to be ethical. So it's usually in the form of vouchers and things like that. Now, this one that I'm talking about is market research. And I have come up with at least 12 websites that give good incentives for your time for market research. I'm going to talk about the top 3 in today's video. And if you guys want more, just comment more down below. Now, let me tell you the negative side of this, or the disclaimer. You don't always get into the research. You don't always qualify. However, I can give you some tips on how to qualify, but just be honest, okay? Don't lie. You don't always qualify, but when you do qualify, it's a good, easy $200, $150 here and there. So we're going to jump right into it. The first one we're going to be talking about is Farron Research. Farron Research is one of the largest research organizations out there, and just the top of the game in terms of things like this. It's a no time waster type of thing. You take your pre-survey, and when you take your pre-survey, if you qualify, it'll let you know that you qualify. Then you get contacted by someone from Farron. They give you your interview dates and times. What I'm going to do is I'm going to jump right into my phone and show you guys what an email from Farron looks like. I'm going to be showing you evidence in this video so that you know that I'm not lying. And if you go ahead and do this and it works for you, send me a DM, let me know that you like this kind of video. And if you want more like these, comment more. Because imagine if you had like 5, 6, 7 market research companies and you were making, you know, roughly 200, you know, 400, 500, whatever the case may be, just cause of your opinion. Like, isn't that great? Anyways, I'm going to jump right into my phone and get this ball rolling. Okay, first of all, so this is what the email looks like, right? You get an email and you can see the title. It says, looking for owners, managers of restaurants or sports bars or tavern. It's 150 EFT from Farron for 1 hour. You can see it right there. It says 1 hour. Okay, so it tells you what they're looking for. If you own a restaurant or you own a sports bar, then this is for you. I don't own a restaurant. I own a catering business, so this is not for me. So I wouldn't even bother doing this. But you get alerts like this almost every day, right? I'll show you another one. The thing about Farron is I've never seen a market research below $80. So it's $80 to, sometimes there was one for $400. Okay, look at this one. Looking for small business owners responsible for internet in their business and consumers responsible for their home internet. Various incentives from Wednesday the 3rd to Friday the 28th of July, right? If you're responsible for internet, meaning if you pay for the internet, if you're the one that chooses the internet provider, it's things like that. I've done market research looking at, you know, the website and seeing if it was user friendly. I had one market research where they sent me a printer and gave me a manual to put it together, and they just wanted to know how user friendly it was and was it easy to put together. I got to keep the printer. They paid me $150. Looking for business owners, decision makers responsible for business financial decisions. So are you a business owner? Do you have an ABN registered? Are you the one responsible for financial decisions? They won't tell you exactly what it is so you don't like skew the data, because some people try to answer what they want and that's not the whole idea. So then it tells you the date here. It tells you right there $200, right? EFT means, you know, money transfer to your account. And you would then normally answer these questions and send it back to them. Anyways, yeah, so that's basically how it works. Now I wanted to, apart from Farron Research, I will be leaving the link to Farron Research down below, but there are 2 other ones that you should also register for. Sorry, before I do that, I wanted to show you guys Farron, how the message comes in. Because I'm registered with them, sometimes I get messages that says, "Hi Josephine, potential market research for sole traders." If you have a sole trading business, it tells you the date, 200 EFT for 90 minutes. Are you interested? And I said yes. Yeah, and this is just them confirming what I had booked in. Again, I'm trying to show you guys that this is real. It is not a lie. It works. The last thing I want to show you guys before I give you the other 2 websites where you can actually do stuff like this is the pay. Because some people say, it's not true. Where is the money? I'll show you. Okay. So I'm going to actually show you guys the money that came in. You can see 14 days ago, which is when I posted that video, you can see the 200 EFT came into my account. So what I have noticed, I typically reach out to business owners. It's usually things like, do you use stuff like QuickBooks or Combank, or do you use FPOS machines? Do you use internet providers? So they're usually more lenient or reaching out to people that are business owners. And business owners doesn't mean you have to have like a, you know, brick and mortar, like a physical building. You could be a sole trader working from home. You could be someone that goes to festivals. You could be someone that sells, but your business should be registered. And yeah, that's it. Sometimes they just ask people for general opinion. The other website I'm going to give you guys now is Research Connections and Askable. These are the top 3 that I know that are very, very reliable. It's typically money. The thing about Askable is they don't pay as high as Farron, but they have quick surveys, like 10-minute surveys for $20, 5-minute surveys for $10, but they can have stuff like $50, $100 depending. So just sign up for these 3. Let me know if you want more. Test it and try it, and let me know how you go, and enjoy making some extra income. You are welcome. This is something I've tried. I'm living in Australia. This is for my Australian people, and I hope it works for you. Thank you very much for watching. If you want more videos like this, comment down below. Let me know if you want more websites like this, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.